Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vicky and today I have a Sephora Play unboxing. Before I get to that, I just want to remind you all that I have a giveaway going on, and 1 week from today, on September 3rd, day after Labor Day, I will be announcing the winner. So go on over to my YouTube video that says giveaway, 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 and just subscribe, thumbs up, and tell me your favorite unboxing video. It doesn't have to be mine, of what you'd like to see unboxed, whether it's clothing, makeup, just favorite things that you like to see unboxed, and then you're in. And I will be announcing it September 3rd. So anyways, Sephora Play. Sephora Play is a monthly beauty box, and $10. $10 for 6 items. And what else can I say? They are samples, anything from beauty to makeup, skincare, and you also get beauty points that you can use. I believe it's 50 beauty points that you can use either online or at the Sephora store. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is what I see when I open it, and right off the bat they have the Sephora beauty points. Also, I don't know if you know or not, but if you sign up, they have a birthday gift that you can, on your birthday, they will send you, they don't send it to you. You either have to go online and get it, or you can go to Sephora and get it. So you get a choice of 2 items, but they're pretty good items. So just to let you know, let's see what we have here besides our beauty points. So one side here is Play Babe, and let's see, kind of looks like old-fashioned comics, doesn't it? Anyways, here we go with the last month. It was a map, and our resident superhero is here to help you make the most of your play by Sephora subscription. And okay, so it shows her using the products. Very cute. And on the back, the products. So when you subscribe, you do fill out a profile of what you like, what you use, your skin tones and all that. And the first thing that I have in here is by Alchemist. Alchemist? And let me put it right up front here. Oh, I'm going to turn it around so you can see it. There we go. And Alchemist is a genius sleeping with collagen. And it says, keep saving the day even while you sleep with this vegan collagen-packed night cream that fights the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And a pearl-sized amount onto dry skin as the last step at night. That's when your skin is optimal recovery mode. So you'll wake up. So I assume this is for the whole face. It doesn't say for just eyes. I'm going to keep this on here just in case. I think I might just give this away. I do seem to have a lot of these night creams, so that is a great thing to have, though. This little, looks like this has been leaking, and it's in a bag. I wonder if they know that it's going to leak. It is very wet. This is called Playa. Get it right up front here. And it says Endless Summer Spray. Southern California Beta Carotene. And SLS and paraben free with UV protective. And it says get out of this world volume, texture, and protection for your strands with this sea salt spray infused with chia seed extract. And you just mist it through damp or dry hair, focusing on the roots. And it smells good. It smells really good. And for extra volume, and then tassel, not tassel, tassel, with your fingers. Okay, I'm going to put it right back here. It seems like it is leaking somehow, so we'll just keep it in there. Can I show you, by the way, this cute little bag, and keep all your little products in. Okay, and then this one is BioSense, and it's for dry skin, feeling like a damsel in distress. And it says squalance and lipids to the rescue. Squalance, S-Q-A-L-A-N-C-E. Okay, squalance. Apply to skin morning and night. Okay, and it's a repair cream. And you put it on clean. So this is another, looks like it's another type of cream that you would use. It doesn't say it's an eye cream, so it looks like it's another face cream. I wonder if they're trying to tell me something. I could use it. Oh, and what is this? This is Glam Glow Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution. Gotta read about that one. Looks like a small little gray bottle with, or gray liquid. Glam Glow Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution Toner. The name says it all. The super toner has the power to help exfoliate, purify, and clarify your complexion. Shake to activate the charcoal acids and clay, then sweep over clean, dry skin, starting by using it twice a week, and build up to every night. Okay, I'm trying this one. Definitely trying that one. And the last one here, oh, nope, I have two more. Okay, this is by Laura Mercer, and it's a Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. Get the caviar in there too, huh? Okay, I'm hoping it is glossy black. And it just, it does not say if it is waterproof, which I'm hoping it's not. So we'll give that one a try. And look at this little bitty one here. This is by Smashbox. And Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in Steppin' Out. And it's a deep nude shade. It is really cute. So I am not gonna swatch this. It is really pretty. It is a great, just neutral shade. But I think I am going to start saving some of these for a giveaway or to give away. And if I swatch them, I don't feel good giving them away. I would definitely use this color, but I just don't feel that if I swatch it that I should. So anyways, I hope that you have liked this unboxing. For $10, there's great little samples. I am looking really forward to using this and see how it works. And gosh, thank you so much for watching my video. for my subscribers. And for those that aren't subscribing, would you consider subscribing? Just hitting that subscribe button and giving me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.